Alright, January 10th, 2022 is the last time that I use this grill right here. And that is the Rambler. It's been a while since I featured it on my channel. So I thought, you know what, it's time to change that. Looked through the fridge, looked through the freezer, and I found some skinless chicken breast in the freezer. So thawed it out. I'm gonna get that going on the Rambler. Let's just have a cook. Probably gonna go into the nighttime. The sun is setting, so let's have some fun. Alright, as you can see, I'm using char logs for this cook right here. Yeah, it's probably looking like, you know, overkill on the char logs, but I've never used them in the Rambler, so I'm gonna try them out and see, you know, how well it does, and maybe this will give me an idea. And if I ever do, you know, long cooks, I can just use these char logs and don't have to keep on, you know, adding more charcoal briquettes. All I know is I can just use this, and I have this right here, this divider that came with the Sky Flame kit that I got, that turns your Weber kit onto a smoker. Took that piece, put it there just to keep it in place, just in case if I bump into the Rambler or the table and don't end up knocking them down because they're standing upright. But yeah, I'm gonna let that go, and then I'll bring you back. These Jealous Devil boom fire starters, they're legit. I mean, it's still lit. You can see, still got the flame going. Look at that. But if you don't want to light up your, especially with these char logs this way, then just go ahead and get 2 to 3, maybe even 4, and stick them in the chimney fire charcoal starter, and you'll get them a lot quicker than this. But if you have the patience and you can let it ride like this, then, you know, just let it go like this. And I do, even though it's starting to get dark out here. You know, I know obviously I'm going to be cooking into the night, so I'm good with just letting it roll like this. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it, open it up all the way, go to your side, open it up, and then I'm going to see where I'm, at least from this temp gauge, and see where it goes with that. This heat's already rising, and I'm going to go for about 275, 300, you know, full with it. And if it keeps rising and rising, then obviously I'm gonna be shutting down this more and more on the side vent. But then if I have to, I'll go up to the top smokestack and shut it down, you know, that I need to. Not all the way obviously, but keep shutting it down and get it down to below 300. But yeah, so first start off with that side vent, and then I'll go up here. As you can see, it's already getting past 150, getting to 175. Yeah, so once it gets around 275, then I'll start just closing it down, just so it won't keep going. And I don't know if you could tell right now, I mean, just by the trees alone, it's windy right now because we're expecting a cold front coming in tonight. So obviously it's getting here, and it's supposed to be low temps in the morning. So, and having that open, and the wind's actually hitting this direction, so the wind's hitting it. So yeah, it's making those char logs, you know, light up a lot quicker. But you know, it's just the way it is when you're out here, you know, grilling or smoking, you know. But I'll get back to you and give you an update. Alright, it's at 300, and I did shut it down a little bit more, so I know it's gonna go up even more. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this back. And I expected it because of it's windy right now. But yeah, So once it drops back down, and then I'll get those boneless chicken breasts on. Oh, and if you don't know about these temp gauges from the Oklahoma Joe's, they also glow in the dark. So as you can see, it dropped down below 300. Alright, so getting close to 275. So, yeah. That's that open right there. And then up top, you know, gotta mess with it up top to get it down. And, you know, I go and blame this crazy wind right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna get those chicken breasts and start cooking. Here's the chicken breast. Poached up wood chunk. Right, let's get to cooking. Rolling smoke. Yeah. Post oak. Man, look at that Rambler. Crazy that I haven't used this Rambler on my channel in a while. Man, look at that. Alright, where we're sitting at 275. Yeah. Still closed up, you can see a little bit. Alright. That's what it looks like. Ooh, yeah, look at those skinless chicken breasts. Seasoned with the hardcore Carnivore red all-purpose seasoning. Man, look at that. Alright, I just wanted to see what it looked like, so I'm going to give it a close and let's continue. The temp spiked up to 300 whenever I had it open to show y'all first time what the breast looked like, so I had to close it down a little bit more up top in the smokestack. That wind right now, man, it's strong right now. So I'm expecting by this morning it's going to be cold here. But yeah, so I shut it down, and I don't want to go above 300. 275, 300, that's good. You know, I want to do not a quick cook. I want to be out here to enjoy my time out here, you know, kick back, relax, listen to music. So, but you know, that's just how I roll if you watch my channel. Let's take some Christmas lights. Let there be light. And just above 275. I want to see what the breasts are at, because I do, before I take them off, I do want to sauce them. So let's check it. Oh, looking pretty good. Char Logs doing their thing. So, thickest part, we'll be sitting at 160, 63, 64. Yeah, All right, so I'm gonna let it go for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna sauce them up, and then I'm gonna eat. But look at that. Man, all right. All right, let's sauce up one breast, that Texas thing. So, and it's looking good. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm gonna leave that one unsauced because I want to try the rub. I've never tried that hardcore carnivore red all-purpose seasoning, so I want to try it. So I'm gonna let it sit like that for a bit, and then I'll take it off, and then I'll eat. All right, man, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Look at those char logs, man. They did their thing, right? Don't you think? Man, wonderful right there. All right, so I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna let them rest for a bit, and then I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. It's nighttime, guys. It's a little after 8:30, but yeah. All right, looking good. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. I remember this is skinless. Man, moist. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Man, love the breast. That was good. All right, let's get into this one. Oh yeah, not moist. I mean, it's moist, guys. I'm bad on that one. Man. Beautiful. Let's see how that rub tastes. Mm-hmm. That's good. It's good. But I think I should have applied a little bit more rub on it, but I can taste it. Yeah, it's good. Look at that. Well, there you have it. What do you think? Pretty good, I think, for a night cook. Just, taking it easy, enjoying this chilly weather. It got chilly, but the Rambler, it did a great job. It really did a great job. And yeah, I mean, I don't think I've ever been disappointed with this Rambler right here. I mean, even with the high, not the high temps, the wind blowing, been blowing hard, and it still is. It did a fantastic job, and temps did go up a little bit past 300, but then once I started closing off the smokestack and the side vent, got down to where I wanted, and then it stayed there. Just no issues. And those char logs, I know those char logs are going to do great. If you use them, you know what I'm talking about. It's just I've never used them in the Rambler, so it's my first time using them, and it's legit. I mean, didn't have to open it up, the Rambler, and add more briquettes in there. Just let it ride, and then went, and whatever temp I wanted it at, it went to that temp, stayed there, you know. So hey, get yourself a Rambler if you don't have one. Use those Char Logs if you've never used them. They're great. And soon I'll be using those Char Logs in the Bronco, so you can see how well they work in the Bronco. They're legit, folks. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Just a relaxing video, taking it easy. You know, I could have cooked those breasts quick, you know, and grilled them, but now I wanted to just lay back and just chill, and you know, let it just relax and just take it easy and let the Rambler just cook, you know. I did get distracted because there's a cat somewhere around here, and it took off. Yeah, a cat just showed up and walked into my garage. That's why I looked down like that. It's walking in the garage. It's that stray cat. Yeah, it's been out here the couple of times I've been out here cooking. Yeah, but you know, I'm gonna end it here and go inside and eat. It's getting, you know, more chilly out here. I'm ready to eat. So yeah, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and smoke on, everyone. There's the cat. That's right there what distracted me.